So this is the final carton. It's 2 containers, so vacuum for 4 modes of cleaning, remote, 100 minutes work duration, fall and proximity sensor, automatically docks and recharges, and it's a gyroscope mapping system. Okay, and the HEPA filter. This is the side. This is the back. And the outside. What is this here actually? Bottom view. Oh, okay. Specifications. Okay, let's open this one. So it's opened. We have here the manual. I hope at least. Here's the mop. Very dirty, huh? This is the robot itself. Ui, he's heavy. And he has a mop attached already, nice. This is the charging station. The cable for the charging station. Then we have 4. Oh, this right side. Right side. Okay, so 2 for the right side, 2 for the left side. This is the filter, it seems. This is to clean. And here's the remote control. It looks quite more ugly than on the website. Yeah. Okay, so let's put this together and then we will see. So yeah, you see the light was not going on now. It's in yellow color. It seems he was really empty, or he is really empty if you press that. He isn't even answering. He's in sleeping mode. Is it time to go home? He's not doing anything. Okay, still really have to wait until maybe this gets green. Let's look at the time. It's now okay. So let's see how long this will take. Yeah, it seems the filter is a replacement filter because here already is one inside, and so this is for replacement, I think. This is very nice. Okay, it fits in here, then you close it. Okay, it still has the folio on top. So here this should be easily be able to taking off, yeah. It's a bit more complicated, yeah. Okay. And here you have the tank. How you open it? You take it out like this. And where you put in the water. Please allow the tank to avoid. Yeah, okay. I get it, but here, since here you put in the water and the floor cleaning thing. Okay, let's see if we get this together. Oh yeah, okay, that was easy. Okay, now we have to put no, he has only 2 of this. There is for the right side, this for the left side. So also there are 2 replacements, that's quite nice. Okay, so okay, and make sure we make one for the left side. Left. This here. Okay. So for remote control we need these little batteries. And a moment, I have to close it. So yeah, the battery definitely looked better on the website than here. This is looking really cheap, really. Okay. It's time to open the manual before we're doing something wrong here. So you see the time in here, it charged for more than 6 hours. And the manual is the charging is 4 to 6 hours. We are still over 6 hours and it's still yellow. Yeah. So I don't know what is going on. Let's see if we can wake it up. No, nothing happens there. Oh no, it's saying what? Now it's in room cleaning. Now it's on charging. I don't know. It's still not going. Let's press it here. That button stays yellow. No, it's not doing. I don't know. Let's put it off from the station here. The light is out. Put this on, nothing happens. Go here on play. Nothing happens. You go here on this. Nothing happens. This is strange. The contacts are free. Let's put it on again. I read some green light shortly when I was connected, and then you see it's like getting green for a little and then going back to yellow. I don't know. It's like now he's listening to the remote. When you say like go cleaning. So one interesting thing here, you saw before I was charging this and the yellow light was on the whole time, and now you see the yellow light is flashing. This was not before, as you saw. Maybe this means that now it is charging. It could be that one of that things here was blocking a bit of the contacts. So that was not charging, and I think this is indicating that it's charging, because the manual is saying when fully charged it will also flash green, so maybe flashing yellow means that it's charging. Now it means that I have to wait another 6 hours, so this will be in next morning, and let's hope this will work. And also the manual, it was quite confusing, because first they say that when you first get the robot to run, let it run out of battery, and then it's saying first you should charge it for 12 hours. So 12 hours will be no problem. It's night now, so I will know in the morning if it's charged, and then I can see more. So I hope this helps you if you're wondering like what's going on with your robot, and let's see if this will work tomorrow. For now I let it charge, and at least we have another status. It is flashing. Before it was not. It was it had like, but why it has like the yellow light all the time and was not charging? This is strange. You can try for a little bit. Oh no, even waking up doesn't work. Until it charges this button. It don't react to the remote, but the remote has the, yeah, it's bad to see. The remote has the, it shows the order to go back and charge. Yeah, strange. Yeah, I don't know. Should it be flashing or should it be not flashing? We will see. The command turned off. So yesterday I was wondering why it was not working, and the reason is there is an on-off switch at the robot itself, and this one I had off, so that's why he was not working yesterday, and why he was not doing anything. So now I switched the switch on, and yeah, it's working. And actually you can charge the robot next to the switch is charging. You can put the charging cable in there, and so I guess the robot will charge much faster than with this contacts in the charging station. That's I have to test, but I think it will be the case. So I'll make another video after I had this robot for a few days or weeks, and then we'll see how it is in the long term.